So Higgsfield launched a new feature. It's called Higgsfield Canvas. In today's video, I'm going to show you by using this feature with the Claude, how you can generate amazing video ads for any product. So let's get into it. So first of all, you have to come to higgsfield.ai and there you'll find the feature Canvas. Go with that. And from here, we'll go with create new canvas. And if you want, you can start the work with the prompt box or like image generator or like video generator directly. But in this case, let me give you a quick overview at first. So if I go with the right mouse click, here you can see that I can add a prompt box where I can actually give a prompt, means a detailed description what I really want. If I want, I can add an image generator. If I want, I can add a video generator. If I want, I can add voice generators. And also if I want, I can just upload any image. Obviously for our case we'll use that because we'll upload our product images. And yeah, there are like a bunch of things in here. You can use text and also sticky notes. So let me go with upload option at first, because in here we want to upload a product image, and from that we'll start to do the work. So for that I'll go with upload, and here I want to work with this one, so I'll go with open that. And after that, if I want, I can go with a video generator just like this, and then I will stitch this product image to the video generator, and in the place of description I can say that like what kind of video I want, and based on my description it will give me the video. But the video will be like very simple, and instead of just going with this way, I want to generate also reference images in between. For example, I generated like 3 reference images, and if I use those 3 reference images in the main video, then the main video will be in 3 different separated clips. And the best thing is like I'm controlling the clips through the reference images. So that's why I want to go with this way. So for that, I'll just delete this thing for now. And then I'll add like image generator. And in here, in the place of model, I want to go with like Banana 2. And also if you want, you can go with like GPT image 2, which is the OpenAI model. GPT image 2 and Banana 2 both are very strong AI models for image generation. Which image generation you really like, just go with that. And in here, I'll just go with duplicate that again. And again, I will just duplicate this thing again, because I want to generate like 3 reference images. That's why. And then I'll stitch the product image to all like this. You can see that like it's very easy to use. It feels like I'm actually working with AI agents, right? Awesome. And also if I want, I can draw stuffs in here. I can actually add shapes in here. I can add like sticky notes in here, which actually make these things very cool. And as you can see that my image generation system is ready. And right now add the video generator, the last, just like this, a video generator. And then I'll add this thing to the video generator just like this. Okay, so you can understand that what's gonna happen. Through this product image, 3 reference image will be created, and then the main video will be created. And for the video generation, in here I want to use the Cadence 2.0, and which is right now one of the most strongest AI model to generate videos from text and also from images. And now we have to give the most important thing, and that is the prompt, because in here you can see that we didn't give in any prompt for the image generation and also for the video generation. So for generating the prompt, in here we are using the Claude. And for that, I'll just go to my Claude, and here I can see that I already get the image prompts and also the video prompts. And I'll show you quickly how I'm getting the image prompts and also the video prompt. So in here, let me just copy the image prompt at first and go back in here, just paste that. I'll just do the same thing for the second image prompt. Go here and then paste that thing in here. For the third image in here, I'll just copy, and then I'll also paste this thing in the third image. So basically, I already said to the Claude, I want 3 clips, so that's what's giving me in this way, and that's the final video prompt. I'll copy that and paste that in here. That's it. So after giving the prompt in here, if you want, you can directly run the pipeline, but I prefer you to run the images at first, because if you don't like one of the clips, you can just tweak the prompt and then regenerate another image, then you can use that. So for that, I'll just run the images at first. So here you can see that our images are ready. This is the first image, that's the second image, and that's the third image. So let's assume that the first image I didn't like. So I want to just regenerate that thing again. And for that, I'll just click that, and then I'll just change the prompt to another prompt. Then I'll go with just run this exact one, just like this. And you can see the rest of the things are not running. So now I think the image looks really good. And also if you want, you can go with just like this. If you want to go with the previous one or like the next one. Okay, that's very easy to do, and that's the reason in here we actually using the canvas instead of using directly the video generations in here. And also there are a bunch of things also you can do. I'll show you step by step. So now let's go with the video generation. Let's assume that all of the things in here we liked. So for that, I'll go ahead and apply the video generation. But before running this thing, I'll go with the settings and then I'll do some simple settings. The first thing, the duration. In this case, I want a 10-second video instead of going with like 15 seconds. The maximum you can go with the Settings 2.0 is 15. The minimum you can go with 4 seconds. For the resolution, in this case, I want to go with 1080 pixel. For the aspect ratio, I want to go with 9:16, which is ideal for like TikTok or like Reels, kind of like this. Generate audio, obviously I want the audio. For that reason, I go with on. And for the batch size, in this case, I want 1 video. If you want, you can go with 4 videos. So in that case, like, it will generate like 4 videos, which is like variations. You can choose like which video you really want to go with. And then I will go with run this video generation. So in here you can see that our video is ready. Let me go with run. For that, I'll go with open preview.
Unleash the storm.
Awesome. You know what? 10 out of 10. By the way, if you're thinking that how I'm getting the prompts from the Claude, so in here I only uploaded the image at first to the Claude, and then I typed here /Higgsfield-Canvas. If I show you this complete skill in here, so basically the skill will analyze the image at first, and then it will just go with this flow. For example, like for the product, how many clips the user really want. In this case, I want like 3 clips. It analyzes in this way, and after that it will give you those 3 clips prompt, means those 3 images prompt and the main video prompt. Okay, how this thing really work? In this case, this skill will ask you some important questions like what kind of ad you want to generate, how will be the ratio, what are the target platform really is. Do you want to upload that specifically on TikTok, Instagram or YouTube, and also the duration of the video. And based on that, this skill will give you the complete prompt, means the clips prompt and also the main video prompt. And after that, you only have to just simply copy and paste that to the Higgsfield canvas. That's it, as I showed you in the video. So if you need this exact skill I'm using here, which is the /Higgsfield-canvas, you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. I've given the link in the description. So after joining in this community, if you go in the classroom section, you will get all of my assets instantly. And if you need this skill exactly, just go to the skill section. And then if you go in the Higgsfield canvas skill, after that, you have to just go to the resources, then go with get this skill, then download this in your device. And after downloading, you simply have to go to your Claude, and then you have to go with the customization. And after that, you have to go with the skills, and then you have to go with the plus, and then go with create skill, then go with upload a skill, and there you only have to upload the skill that you downloaded. And then you'll see that the Higgsfield canvas skill has been added to your Claude, and make sure that that's enabled in here. And after that, whenever you go to the chat and then you upload an image just like this, so let me go with this sneakers, and then as like the previous one, I'll go with /Higgsfield-canvas, which is this one. And as you can see that I didn't have given any inputs other than only just mentioning the skill and just giving the product. Okay, and let me go with send. So based on the skill, it analyzes the whole product and it finds out which product it really is. And also it kind of like asking me some questions. The first question is, what kind of ad type will go with this best? Recommending me from itself. Do you want to go with UGC type, or like pro virtual try on, or like hypermotion? In this case, I'll go with the hypermotion, because for the hypermotion there'll be like no human faces really needed. But if you go with UGC, also you can go with that. And also if you want, you can give the person face image, so exactly that person will be used in the advertisement. And about the number of clips, you can go with in between 1 to 6. For the duration, we want to go with like 10 seconds. And as I already showed you, you can go with maximum 15 seconds for Settings 2.0. And about the aspect ratio, in this case, we want to go with like 9:16, which is a vertical video. And also if you want a horizontal video, you can go with 16:9. For the platform, in this case, we want to target TikTok. About the person reference, if you go with UGC type, then you have to mention the person you want to use. Like as I already told you, you can upload the face image in here. Based on that, it will give you the prompt. So here you can see that I had given the answers very simply, and after that I'll go with send. So based on my answer and based on the skill, right now it will give me the ready to use 3 image prompt and also the main video prompt. So that's the first node image prompt. And let me go to the Higgsfield Canvas right now, and in here I'll just delete this exact image, and then I'll upload the image that I want to use. In this case, that's the one. I'll go to open, and then in the place of image generation, I'll just delete the previous prompt, and then I'll go to the Claude again. I'll copy the first prompt like this, copy and paste that in here. I'll do the same thing for the second one, delete the previous one, because the previous one basically for this exact product, that's why I have to change that, right? I'll go with the next one, and then I'll just paste that in here. I'll do the same thing with the last one, go to the Claude and copy the image 3 node prompt and paste it in here. And right now the video prompt for that, I'll go with just delete the previous one, and then I'll go back to my Claude and just copy the video prompt just like this, and then I'll paste that in here. Let me go with the image generation at first, and then I'll run the video. I'll go with run the pipeline. Okay, let's see what kind of images or like reference images it generate. If I don't like one of them, I'll regenerate that thing again. So here you can see there's the images. That's the first one, second one, and third one. Let me go and generate the video for that. Video is ready. Let me show you quickly just by going to the video. Awesome, and just 11 out of 10. So now you can understand that how easy it is to make these kind of videos. You don't have to think about the prompts, you don't have to think about the image generations or like video generations. You only have to just kind of like do some simple stuffs, and that's it. And also, as like the previous one, I made another video ad. For that, I had given the sneaker image, and then I mentioned only the skill name. After that, I had given some answers, what kind of video ad I really want, kind of like this thing, and then it had given me the prompts. I'd copied and pasted the prompt inside the Higgsfield Canvas, and then it had given me the images, and here's the video. Let me show you quickly. So yeah, that's the whole thing. I hope that you understood everything. How you can use the Higgsfield new feature, the Higgsfield Canvas with the Claude, and you can generate amazing video ads like this. So if you're new in this channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And if you like this video, make sure to also give a like. And if you need this exact skill I'm using inside the Claude for generating the prompts, you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. All of the links I had given in the description. So see you with a new video. Till then, peace.